all this week during the 2010 Winter Games. Now, your local on the 8th.
Local on the 8th.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Our local Doppler radar.
Heavy snow has overspread the region.
For tonight, heavy snow, low 27. Winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 5 to 8 inches. And on Wednesday, periods of snow and windy. High 32. 6 to 10 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, mostly cloudy and windy with snow showers. Low 23. Our week ahead.
We are bringing you the very latest on this February fury all night long. As you might expect, the storm crippling travel tonight across much of the Mid-Atlantic region. We really hadn't recovered from the storm that occurred over the weekend, and it's only going to get worse tomorrow. You will find widespread cancellations for both Greyhound bus services as well as Amtrak. If you are planning on using their services, you should contact them directly, but it's going to be tough during the day tomorrow. No question about that.
And also, this just in now, for a third day in a row, the federal government in Washington, D.C. will be closed tomorrow. And Philadelphia International Airport is stopping flights ahead of the storm.
And Victoria Lupica is with the airport, joins us now on the phone. Thank you so much for joining us. So what's the latest at the airport there? What can you tell us about canceled flights and how things are going to go from here on out?
Well, the storm hit the area beginning around 8 o'clock this evening, and as a result, we anticipate little or no activity tomorrow.